Hello kids, welcome to Pebbles. Today you are going to watch Grandma Kutti story, Lion and the Cows.
कोणे एकेकाळी 4 गायी एकत्र राहत होत्या. त्या एकमेकींच्या अगदी जीवाभावाच्या मैत्रिणी होत्या. त्या चौघीही नेहमी एकत्र राहत, एकत्र चरायला जात आणि झोपायलाही एकत्रच असत. त्यांच्या या एकतेमुळेच त्यांचे शत्रू त्यांच्या आसपासही फिरकत नसत. एकदा एक लांडगा तिथे आला. नेहमी तो सिंहाच्या उरलेल्या शिकारीवरच आपलं पोट भरायचा. बरेच दिवस नीट खायला न मिळाल्याने तो अगदी व्याकुळ झाला होता. त्याने गायींना एकत्र पाहिलं आणि विचार केला,
मला काहीही करून त्या गायींची मैत्री तोडायला हवी.
4 गायी एकमेकींपासून थोड्या दूर चरत होत्या. तो हळूच एका गायीकडे गेला आणि तिला म्हणाला,
अगं ऐकलंस का, तुझ्या 3 मैत्रिणी तुला सोडून जवळच्याच शेतात जाणार आहेत. तिथे भरपूर हिरवागार चारा आहे.
हे ऐकून गायीला फार राग आला. ती म्हणाली,
असं काय? थांब, मीच त्यांच्या आधी तिकडे जाते.
आणि ती मैत्रिणींपासून लपत छपत एकटीच दुसऱ्या शेतावर गेली. सिंह तिकडे तिची वाटच बघत होता. त्याने झटकन झडप टाकून तिला मारलं आणि खाऊन टाकलं. लांडग्याला सुद्धा त्याचा हिस्सा मिळाला.
Pebbles Marathi.
Lion and the Cows. Once there were 4 cows who were good friends. They were always together, so their enemies found it difficult to attack them. A jackal who lived on the leftovers of a lion did not get enough food.
I should do something to put an end to their unity.
Then he met each cow one by one when they were a small distance away from each other.
Do you know, dear? Your 3 friends have decided to leave you. They are going to the next field where there is lots of grain.
Hearing this, each cow became very angry.
Is that so? I will go before they get there.
And they went to the next field one by one without telling each other. The lion, who was waiting for this chance, killed the cows and had a feast. The jackal too happily got plenty of food.
Moral: Unity is the power. Unity is the power, my dear friends. When the cows were united, no one dared to touch them. Once they get separated, you have seen yourself what happened. Okay kids, let's learn few new words one by one. Kids, repeat the words after me. Enemy. Enemy means hostile opponent. Unity. Unity means the state of being one. Grains. Grains means small hard seeds. Who helps lion? Jackal. Correct. Pebbles Marathi.